Wait, what? God damn it!
She's here! Please.
Come on, give me a chance for old time's sake, man.
This wall is taller than I thought. How am I gonna do this? Interesting. So this is the wall that I'm standing in front of. This is me. And that is my partner. And I know that wall is 3.5 meters tall. Don't ask me why. And I want to throw the bag over, so here is my parabola. I also know the equation of my throw because, well, obviously, I'm a criminal. Mastermind, baby. Now I need to figure out if my bag will go over using this equation. I can figure that out by finding the y-coordinate of the vertex. I'm going to change my equation from standard form to vertex form because, duh, I need to find the vertex. So vertex form is written as this. I'm going to change that to this. -2 represents A, 8 represents B, and -5 represents C. I'm gonna start by putting A and B in the bracket and leave C out of the game. And I'm gonna put A outside of the bracket, so I must remember to divide B by A because they're both in the bracket. And now I'm left with this. I want to be able to factor inside of the bracket, so I'm going to use this equation, which gives me 4. Now I'm going to add a 4 into my equation. Wait a minute, I can't just add 4, that would change the whole thing. I shall add a -4 to make it equal to the original equation. Alright, time to bring out the -4. But I must remember to multiply it by 8. And now I end up with this equation. And now I'm going to factor the inside of the bracket and simplify the outside. I'm not going to show the factoring and simplifying because I assume you were smart enough. Finally, we end up with this beautiful vertex form equation. And now, you must remember, this is how vertex form looks like. Since P is squared and in a bracket, -P will be positive. And Q stays the same. P is x of the vertex and Q is y of the vertex. Now we take -2 and 3, which represents the vertex of this equation. Q is x and y is 3. In this situation, y is how high the bag will go, so that's what I'm going to use. Let's compare two numbers. The wall is 3.5 meters tall, and the highest point my bag will go is 3. Let's just give it a try.